Hello students, welcome back to our online class. And for today's lesson, we are going to study how to describe people's character and personality. Okay, this time you're going to describe the picture that you're going to see. Alright, so our topic is focused on adjectives. You have to describe their character and personality. So we are going to proceed to our lesson 5, which is speaking. Okay, are you ready? So let's start. Alright, let's warm up. Let's describe the people from the following picture. From these pictures, let us describe their character. Okay, so if I am going to ask you, students, what do you think are their character? Starting from number 1. Okay, let's analyze what is the character of this woman. You can think of any adjective that can describe the person or the picture given. Alright? Because our lesson is focused on description or describing the people's character or personality. What do you think is the personality of this woman? She is what? Alright? You can pause your video and try to think of any character or personality from this picture. Okay, so if you're going to see this picture, this woman is, okay, she is studious. No? You can see there are lots of books and she's doing maybe her homework or assignments or paperworks. Okay, so we can describe her as a studious person. Okay, so she is studious. Next, how about this picture? What do you think of the character or personality of this woman? As you see, she's helping the old woman, right? So what do you think is her personality? Okay, so if you describe her character or personality, probably she is caring. Okay, she is caring. If you look at this picture, you can easily find that, or you can easily describe that she is caring. Alright, so number 3. How about this man? What do you think of the character of this man? Okay, based on the picture, this man is, okay, he is hardworking. Okay, he is a hardworking person. Next, number 4. How about this woman? What do you think is she doing? Or what do you think is she? Can you describe her? All right. Based on what she's doing, we can describe her as organized. Okay. As you see, he's checking the works of her subordinates. Okay. She is organized. Next, number 5 picture. How about this woman? Look at her. What do you think is she? Okay. When you look at this picture, you can say that this woman is tough. All right. She's tough. She's not easy to get. No? Okay. Next, number 6. How about this picture? What do you think of this woman? Okay, if you see the way she looks, or if you can see her personality, maybe you can say she is a good woman. She is smart. She is uh, she is very intelligent. Okay. So what can you say about this woman? Okay, for example, this woman is effective. Okay, she is effective. Maybe to her work, the way she does her work, she accomplishes her work very well. Okay, that's why you can say that she is effective. There are lots of description on how you describe the person. Okay, how about this picture? What do you think of this guy? He's on the plane. What do you think of his character or personality? All right. Based on this picture, as you can see, perhaps you can call this guy, or you can describe this man as careful. Huh? Maybe you could say he's careful in driving. Okay. And this picture, the last picture, what do you think of this man? Okay. If you take a look at this picture, you could say that this man is funny. All right. Okay. As you see, there, his audience are laughing at him. So maybe he is funny, or he is really funny. All right. So that's how we describe the people when we take a look at a certain picture. Okay. So describing people, or describing people's personality or character, is usually an adjective. Okay. So you have to think of any adjectives that could describe the people's personality or character. Okay, let's observe at this picture. As you can see, these are the different examples of adjectives that describes the character and a personality of a person. Okay, so we have outgoing. Okay, these are the people who are outgoing. Okay. Analyze their personality. What else? We have impatient. Okay. Take a look at this man. Okay. It seems that he's not in a good mood, right? Okay. You can describe him as impatient. And this one, okay, this woman, okay, he strives to finish her job or her work, so she is patient. Okay. Next, how about this man? This man, it seems so kind. Okay, you could say that this man is a polite person. Okay, he is a polite. As we looked at this picture, he shows that he is a polite man. And this one, popular. Okay, popular. Many people like you, and then you became popular. Next, we have reserved. Take a look at this old man. It seems that he is lonely. Okay, if you describe him, you could say he is a reserved person. Next, we have tidy. Okay, tidy, as you see, she is well groomed. Okay, that is a tidy person. Next, this this girl. What do you think is she doing? Okay, as you see, she's doing bad, no? She's a bad girl. Okay, when you see a person acting like that, you can call them rude. Okay. Next, we have distracted. Okay, so this guy, if you see this guy, okay, he is easily distracted. Okay, whatever he does, okay, he gets easily distracted. No, okay, he's not in a good mood as well. And what else? This guy, okay, as you see, it seems this guy is very angry. He gets mad, no? So this guy has a bad temper. Okay, this guy he's a bad tempered guy. Next, we have this picture. As you see, when you see a person, when you see a person's face like this, maybe you could call them a shy person, a shy type person. Next, this picture, silly. Okay, a silly person is maybe he or she is something very funny. He looks very funny. Okay, silly. He maybe this guy or has a sense of humor. No. Okay. Next, unfriendly. Okay, as you see, okay, when a person is not friendly, you cannot. They are not sociable. No, they hate people sometimes. Okay, they are unfriendly. They don't like friends. Okay, and the last is this picture. Okay, this picture, this boy, you maybe as what he's doing, we can say that this boy is a selfish. No? Okay, later we can study and understand some vocabularies of a person's character and personality. All right. Take a look at this picture. Okay, if someone does this, like if someone do this to you, do you think you could be happy? What do you feel, or how do you feel when someone do this to you? Okay, so you can call this guy a rude. Okay, rude is a negative adjective or a negative word, no? So, what is rude? Rude is offensively impolite or ill-mannered. Okay, do not do this to your classmates, okay? Or to anyone, especially to the people older than you, okay? So, we can say that this guy uh, is not respectful, no? He disrespects everyone whenever he does this. Okay, so do not do this one. Okay, rude is offensively impolite or ill-mannered. Next picture. What can you say about this picture? It seems they're very happy. Okay, so these people are, what do you think? Okay, they are outgoing. Are you an outgoing person? If yes, and then that's great. Okay, outgoing person describes someone with a friendly or easy personality. Okay, are you friendly? So if you're friendly, then you are a happy person. You are cheerful as well. Okay, because you want to socialize to others. Okay, you want to get along with others. Next, how about this woman? What do you think of her personality? What can you say to her? She is what? Okay, if you see, oh, I want it now. Okay, so this girl or this woman, maybe or perhaps she is impatient. Okay, no? Are you impatient? So what is an impatient person? Okay, an impatient person quickly irritated or provoke. Okay, you will you will get easily irritated. Okay, when someone bully you, when someone is annoying you, okay, you easily provoke. So that is an impatient person. You want to be in a hurry always, okay? If you want to get something, you want to get it now. You don't want later. You don't want to get it tomorrow, okay? If you want now, you want now. All right, so that is impatient. So maybe it's not a good behavior. All right, how about this picture? What can you say of this guy? Okay, so according to this picture, this is opposite to the previous picture, no? Why? Okay, because this guy or this man seems like, okay, he is patient. Why do we say that this man is patient? Okay, so what is a patient person? Okay, a person's ability to wait something out or endure something out. Okay, so that's a good character or personality. Are you like that? Are you a patient person? Okay, that's great. You can wait. You are not easily irritated, okay? Especially when you're waiting for something. You can endure, okay? So that's a good behavior. Next one. How about this picture? What can you say of this picture? These two people. What do you think are they? Okay. So maybe these people are polite. Okay. So I know some of you or most of you are polite, no? So that's a great or that's a good behavior of a student or uh, a man or a person, okay? So what is a polite person? So this is a behavior that is respectful and considerate of other people. Okay, so if you are polite, you give respect to others. Okay, I hope you understand of being a polite person. Okay, next, how about this picture? What have you noticed with this guy? Seems that the girls like him. Okay, it seems that he is so very attractive, no? Okay, so what do you think of this guy? Or what do you think of this man? Okay, maybe he is popular. Okay, popular. I have a good feeling when I became popular. Okay, so you feel so happy when you are popular. So when you are popular, you are liked, admired, or enjoyed by many people. Just like the singers, the actors, actresses. Okay, they are popular. Okay, how about this person? How about these people? What do you think are they? What do you think of their personality? Okay, it seems that this guy don't like to get along with other people. And while this woman seems like she doesn't like noise or she wants to keep calm. Okay. So maybe these people are reserved. Okay. So when you meet people like them, okay, so they are calm, they are relaxed, and most of the time they are quiet. So reserved person are someone who likes to keep to themselves and does not feel comfortable sharing too many things with other people. Are you like that? Are you a reserved person? If you are, then it's okay. Okay, you don't want to uh, get along with someone or you are not used to share your feelings with other people. Okay, so that is a reserved person. Okay, how about this one? What can you say of this man and what can you say of this man? What are their differences? What do you think? Okay, so they are tidy. Okay, what is tidy? So tidy means well groomed, neat and clean, and organized. Okay, so when you go to school and your uniform is neat and clean and you are well groomed, okay, that means you are a tidy person. And of course, the opposite of a tidy person is untidy. Okay, if you are untidy, You are not well groomed. You are not clean and neat. And you are not an organized person. Okay. Like this. What do you think are they doing? Okay. They are cleaning their room, no? They are tidy. Okay, how about this picture? What have you noticed of this picture? What do you think is the character of this boy? Okay, so do you think is this good? Okay, so what can you say of this boy? What do you think is he? Okay, he is selfish. Okay, selfish is not a good personality or character. Selfish is lacking consideration for others. They are seeking or concentrating on one's own advantage or pleasure. Okay? They are self-centered. They just want their own pleasure. They don't want to share their uh, their belongings to others. Okay? So those also that is a selfish person. Okay, so for your activity, um, you're going to ask your partner. Okay, you you need to find a partner for this activity. Okay, so ask your partner the following questions, and then you have to write your answers, your partner's answer in your notebook. For example, what words can describe a teacher? Okay, and then your partner will say, for example, a teacher is usually tidy, patient, and outgoing. Okay, at least three personalities or character. At least three adjectives. Okay, tell your partner to think of their answer. Okay, so ask these following questions. Number one, what words can describe a musician? What do you think of a musician? Okay, ask your partner about it. Number two, what words can describe a comedian? What do you think is a personality of a comedian? Number three, what words can describe a singer? Number four, what words can describe a police? And number five, what words can describe an engineer? Okay, do you understand, students? If that's so, choose your partner and start asking these questions. Write your partner's answers in your notebook. Okay? Do not forget. I will check your notebook. So, that's our class for today. And I hope you have learned how to describe people, how to describe their personality or character. There are lots of adjectives about personality or character. Okay? When you take a look at a picture of a person, try to describe them. Okay? What can you say of them? Okay? So that's our lesson for today. And I hope you have learned a lot. And we will see you again next class. Goodbye, students.